Welcome to our core Java sections, core Java interview sections. Welcome from CG for all. Today we have to discuss one core Java interview questions, and today question is write a program to find biggest number between the three numbers. So what is the input they are giving? They are providing us the three number, out of which we have to find the biggest number. Let us first we understand the situations, and then we have to write in the program as well. Control N. Let us consider we have a three number, input 1, input 1, input 2 and input 3. So we have to find the which is the biggest number, correct? So how to find the biggest number? So first we have, before writing any Java program or any Java logic, first we have to understand what to write, then how to write. So suppose we have three number, any three number they are provided. So number 1, number 2 and number 3. So let us consider, I am considering number 1 itself is a big number, right? Then what we have to do? If I we have to compare number 1 and number 2. If number 2 is bigger, then number 2 should be big, right? Then number 2 is big, then number 2 and number 3 should be compared between each other. If number 3 is big, consider number 3 is a big number. That's it, right? This is a very small logic, and this is not in the interview. While writing any logic also you have to be written. So let us, what is the question? What we have to do? We have to take one variable that is a big number, and that big number is assigning to what the input we are getting. This input. So we are considering as a big number if there is a condition, right? So if this input 1, correct, already we consider as a big number. So if this is a considered as a skeleton of the program, input 2 is a greater than input 1, then what I am considering, input 2 is the big number, right? Big number is equal to, don't consider as a syntax wise here, only we are understand what to write. Okay, now input 2 is a big number. What is the next step? Now same way we have to compare input 3. If now big number is basically input, so if big number, if input 3 is a greater than big number, then what is big number? Big number is a input 3, correct? And that is our requirement, and then we get the, then we will print the value, correct? That's it. So let us, we have to write the program and understand how to write. What to do we will clear, then how to do. So I have already created a skeleton of a program. It's a very simple program. So I have to get class name as a biggest number, and then I have a main method. So first starting point of any core Java program or Spring Boot program also nowadays starting with the main Java main classes only. Now we need the input. So for getting the input, we need the scanner. Let us create the scanner object. Of scanner is equal to new scanner of system.in, correct? So we so suppose we create any class, we have to import the library scanner in the util package, we all know. So now we have the scanner, so we have to use this scanner object, correct? Enter the number to be compared, enter the number to be compared, correct? Now so what the number they are comparing, so we have to convert in the, so default value is string, so we have to convert into either integer or long. I am considering in the long. long of input 1, input 1 is equal to long dot first long of okay. So we have created the input 1. Same way, if question is for us to get a 3 input, so I am control V, enter control V, so input 2 and input 3. Clear? So now we will get the input 3. So if we don't use any variable, it should be considered a localer. So that's it. So now, so as we discussed, we have to compare the 3 objects. If so, now we have to get the input number. So this input 1 we take as a big number. So control C, I am defining a variable long. I am taking a long of big number. Big number is equal to input 1 if input 2 be greater than big number, then big number is input 2, correct? Clear? Else if or else also we can use, because here we are considering for the 3 number only. If input 3 greater than big number, variable name should be same. So big number should be input 3. Or what we have to do extra here, if we want to something more, save the memory with one variable, we can do it. Instead of big number, you consider as a input as a big number and provide the output as a input 1 only. So no need to give the variable to be big number. So what we am doing now, so input 1 is we will consider as a big number. So instead of big number, I am providing the input 1. So assigning to this. So this variable is no required. So control D. So it should be delete this line itself. So control S. So input 2 is a greater than big number. No need of big number. It should be input 1. So that's it. So fine. SYSO, we can print this value. Big number is big number is plus input 1. Correct. So that is our requirement. You have to run the program. So enter the number to compare. So compare 1, 2, 3. So big number is 3. So we will run. So this way we will get the numbers, and so this is the thing. So we will no need to take the, and second thing, we will define one method. So it's not a good practice to take this variable in method. So what we will do, define this is a method and pass the variable in a method and then try that. So but logic is same, so you can use this. Now this is done. The what is the question asked is completely done. We will get the output and we will use the scanner. Now let us consider we have to find the big number more than the 3 number, more than 20 number. What we have to do? So we have to store the number in a array list. Clear? So let us try also. So I am considering more than 3 number, but I will try for the 3 number only. So let us consider simply I am array list. So it depends upon the requirement or depends upon the scenario. You can use the collections API. So I am considering only array list, right? So let us consider I am creating an array list. Okay. Now, so we have a list which will store the list value list dot add add of we have to add the 3 numbers, right? So I'm considering for the 3 it should be more than 3. Okay, so take as a long only then. Same way we have to add the second number and third number. Now we have to find the big number. So what we have to do? We have to iterate this for loop. So in this current example, we will go with the classical for loop and enhanced for loop. Going forward, we will see the for each loop of Java 8. In this example, current example, we will go with the classical for loop or enhanced for loop. First, let us see the classical for loop. For int of I is equal to 0, I less than I less than list dot size. I plus plus. Now, so here what we have to do, if the number, so if every number, like so first number already we get first 0 number, right? So if this number input, so list dot get of I should be greater than list dot list dot get of 0. To store extra, no need to take off extra variable. I am defining like this. Okay. Now, so this list of 0. So take one variable. We will taking. So I am taking defining in the top. int of big number, because we'll pass, so better to be take, or that depends. So list dot get of 0, control V. So, but this list, this should be after the array list definition. For understanding, I am defining this. So consider it long only. Now, so big number, BIG, a number, correct? So no need to start from 0, then you start this from 1, because already 0th value I am considering. So now big number is, if this is greater, so big number is list dot get of I. So this way we can achieve this biggest number among the more than one number. Clear? Try to run the program. 259. This is taking the small number. This is not iterated. 1 second. This dot get of I is greater than big number, then big number of less dot get of I. Right here, try to, okay. So we are printing input 1. We have to print the big number, correct? Control C and print the big number. Control S. Run again. 6, 8, 9. Biggest number. In the last time we did mistake, we have printing the value of input 1, but we have to print the. So this is the classical for loop. Instead of classical for loop, we can also use the enhanced for loop. Let's try the enhanced for loop also. Int, sorry, long, because we have considered a long. I have taken the variable and which needs to be print list, correct? So here the condition only needs to be changed. That's it. What the condition is there? So the value is I should be greater than big number. Clear? So this big number is I. Basically get value is automatically getting. 1 second. Test try. Let's run the program. 3, 6, 4. Output is 6. So that's it. So today in the program we will have, what is the question? So we have to find the biggest number among the 3 number. We see how to find the biggest number among the 3 number, and after that we also come to know how to find the biggest number among more than the 3 or more than the 100 numbers. And we will also understand how to use the classical for loop and how to use the enhanced for loop. So please go through that and try to use the for loop with the for each loop of Java 8 onwards. So do the practice, come with again with your doubt, your question, how you are coming, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. So to get the latest update, if you have any doubt, if you want to join any courses, any material, please contact us on provided number or call us on the number provided. Thank you. Hope have a nice day. Thank you so much.